Good morning, dear judges, listeners, and my fellow public. Today, I, Radha Sood of class 9th of school Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya, has gotten a golden opportunity to speak on the topic a greatest word humanity. Also, I am feeling good and glad to speak on the topic humanity. So, basically, what is humanity? Did anybody can tell me? Yes, there are many people can tell me, but there are many people who cannot tell me the meaning of the great word humanity. Why our nation is lacking behind on the humanity? Why our nation is lack of humanity? Because in our nation there are many people who did not afford to ask the silly questions just like humanity, what our nation PM, etc. Our nation is lacking behind on these castes because they focus on their caste, gender, religion, appearance, improvements, etc. They did not know what to focus on because they did not know what the career is based off. If I or somebody else go and ask from a villager that can you please tell me what is the meaning of the great word humanity? Yes, there are many villagers who can tell me what the meaning of the word humanity, the great word humanity. But so sadly, I have to tell you that there are many people who cannot tell me the simple meaning of humanity. Yes, the meaning of humanity is insaniyat and also includes human nature and human face. Humanity is a word which have lots of power. It does not mean we provide the food to needy people only just one day. No, this is not at all humanity. Humanity is a word includes kind-heartedness, positivity souls and good nature above all. I also tell you that no religion is higher than the religion humanity. If we follow humanity in our career, in our life, that is the best career we do in our whole life and in our whole future. I also have to tell you that why we need humanity. We also say that we need humanity, live for humanity, die for humanity, work for. Why we do for humanity? Because if we need in a locality social justice, positivity and good nature of all of us, then we need humanity in all of us. Firstly, we need humanity in ourselves. We have to develop in ourselves. Not go to higher things that we do in society, like doing crowd and say humanity. No, we have to first develop humanity in our family members and firstly in ourselves. At last but not the least, I want to say that love and compassion are necessity. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Live for humanity, die for humanity, work for humanity. Now, I, Aradhya, is signing off. Bye, goodbye. May your day brings lots of happiness to you and your family. And stay safe from this coronavirus known as COVID-19. It is very dangerous virus. Bye, goodbye.